Hello everyone, welcome to Guru Design Lab. I am Guru and on this channel you will learn SOLIDWORKS 3D modeling, 2D drawing and mechanical design through easy to follow tutorials. If you are passionate about CAD design, make sure to subscribe and let's build your skills together. Today is exercise 9. That's how to build this. First take two center line like this and make two circles. First one is 50 mm and second one is 90 mm, and then after take extrude box base up to 10 mm and then sketch and take 78 mm circle. Let's start. First new part. Okay, take a plane like front plane, sketch, take center line, feature sorry, sketch, circle. First one is 50 mm, second one is 90 mm. Features, extrude boss base up to 10 mm, set. Okay, sketch, sketch, click these lines, convert entities and make one circle of 78 mm, smart dimension. Say okay, make a center line, sorry, click line, smart dimension. The distance between these two lines is 5 mm. Say okay, mirror entities to mirror. So select these lines, mirror about, so select this reference line and say it okay, and cut the extra part like trim entities. Say it okay, features, extrude cut up to 10 mm. Say okay, you can see here, count the teeth from these gears and then after we can pattern it. There are 16 gaps between these teeth, so we select pattern, circular pattern, features and faces, select extrude cut, direction, set 16, set okay. You can see the designs will be ready, and now I can show the colors. it. Okay, so this exercise will be completed. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.